Hi YouTube, how's it going? It has seriously been such a long time, and I thought I'd bust out my camera equipment and make a high definition video. In the past I've made videos with my Logitech webcam. They came out relatively crappy. The definition of that video was very low quality. So I've kind of updated my equipment, and my lens right now seems to be constantly focusing, so I don't know if there's a way to stop that. You can probably hear that on the video. Anyway, it's just a test anyway. So I got a different computer. I finally upgraded my computer. Back in 2012 I had a Phenom 2 processor with a M5A 89 GTD motherboard and the traditional hard disk drive with the platters. Really a sucky setup. I hated it. For now anyways. Back in the day when I built it, it was great, it was fast, but just not today, not to today's standards. So I updated it. I updated the my build, and that really seemed to push things along as far as graphics goes. And I guess compared to 2012 I do have a little bit more money now, so I went ahead and I got one of those Newegg combination deals. And the combination deal basically included a 1060 graphics card, 3 GB model only. However, that really does beat my AMD 6770 that I have in my computer, my old one. I also upgraded my processor. I'm a true AMD fan, but if I had a lot of money, I probably would go with Intel, simply because it seems like there's more power per core, just more depth in there. And so yeah, that's what I've been doing. I got the AMD 8-core 8350 processor, and it's 4.2 gigahertz. Obviously you can overclock it if you want, but I haven't done so, simply because I don't want to avoid my warranty. What else? 8 gigs of RAM, which isn't enough. I upgraded that since. And 256 gigabytes SSD, which is fine for my use. I still use the platter type hard drive to store large amounts of data and video. So yeah, and I know that Ryzen, AMD has really come out with a new processor called Ryzen, which is a competition. It kind of gives Intel a run for their money, simply because it's very comparable to the new Intel i7. But I don't know. I mean, I think it's about the same price as an Intel, and $300 or $400 for a processor. I'm probably gonna have to upgrade it in about 5 years anyways, so I'm always kind of one step behind, simply because I do not need a computer that's like insanely fast to browse YouTube and process video. Now if I was doing something on a more commercial level, or wanting to play, all of my games on ultra high graphics and no lag, at 60 frames per second, you know, okay, maybe then I would need a, you know, more robust setup, but for right now this works for me. It was about $560, so hey, it is what it is. I really wanted to try it out, so that's why I'm kind of making this video today on this camera, so that I can transport the video into a video rendering program that I have and kind of see how it all works. So thanks for watching, and if this works out well, I'll definitely be producing more videos.